Ready to streamline your document workflow and get those signatures flying in effortlessly. Let's dive into how to add recipients in Docusign like a pro. First, log into your Docusign account and either upload a new document or select one you've already prepared. Once your document is open, look for the Add Recipient button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click it. Now, you'll see options to define roles needs to sign, receives a copy, or specifies recipients. Choose the role that best fits each person you're adding. This dictates their actions and permissions within the document workflow. Enter the recipient's name and email address. Double-check for accuracy to avoid delays. You can add a personalized message here to give a brief description about the document and set the signing order. This will define the order in which people will receive the document to be signed. For added security, explore Docusign's advanced options. You can set up authentication methods such as access codes or phone authentication, and even add private messages to individual recipients for specific instructions. Click Next. Docusign will now show you the document where you can assign to each recipient their proper fields: signature, date, text, initials, etc. This is the information each person needs to fill out and or sign on the document. Once you are done with this, click Send. And there you have it. You've successfully added recipients and sent your document for signature. Use the Docusign dashboard to track the progress of your document. Send reminders or correct any errors. With these tips, you'll be managing document workflows efficiently and securely in no time.